Good morning, class. Let's continue with the exercise 11A from question number 9th. Question number 9th. Is it possible to have a triangle in which two of angles are right angle? No, it is not possible, because if two angles are already 90 and 90, then and the total sum of the angle is 180 degree, so third angle is not possible with two right angles. So answer is no. Second part, two of the angles are acute. Yes, it is possible. Two of the angles are obtuse. No, because obtuse angles are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. If two are obtuse, then third angle is not possible. So for answer third is no. Fourth one, each angle is less than 60 degree. If each angle is less than 60 degree, then the total it cannot be possible 180 degree. Okay, so for fourth, no. Fifth one is each angle is greater than 45 degree. Yes, this is possible. You can take any angles which are greater than 45 degree and you can easily add. The condition is sum of all angle is must be equal to the 180 degree. This is the condition. On the basis you have to check all these parts. Okay, then fourth part, each angle is 60 degree. Then yes, possible. This is equilateral triangle, as we know that this is our equilateral triangle. Then seventh part, each angle is greater than 60 degree. This is also not possible, so answer is no. Let's tell you the answer. No, then yes, no, no, yes, yes, then no. Then come to question number 10. This question you have to do in the book only, not in the notebook. Then come to question number 10th. Question number 10th, first part. You have these two lines are parallel. You have to find AML, this value. So if these are parallel lines, so this angle is 65 degree because of the corresponding angles. Then in triangle AML, if two angles are given, then you can easily find the third angle by subtracting these two angles from the 180 degree. I have solved this question. So corresponding angles, then 180 minus 65 and the 35 degree, you get your third answer, that is AML. For the second part of this, rest of these two questions you can do in your homework notebook. Okay, I can explain. You have to find angle TSQ. TSQ, you have to find this angle. Okay, so if these two lines are parallel, then this angle is corresponding angle. From the angle sum property, you will find this angle and you will get this answer. You can also solve this angle by the exterior angle property, but exterior angle property we will study in our next exercise. Okay, so next third part is SLQ. SLR. So this angle is 45 degree, again by corresponding angles. This angle you can find by the linear pair. Then you will get your third answer by subtracting these two angles from the 180 degree. Okay, then question number 11th. Angle DBC. DBC, this angle. So how will you find this angle? As these lines are parallel, so this is 65 degree by the alternate interior angle. So you can easily, so DCB is get. Then BDC, this angle you can find by subtracting these two values from the 180 degree. Next DBA. DBA, this angle. If these lines are parallel, then this angle is equal to this angle by the alternate angle. Last is angle A. You will get your angle A from subtracting 180 minus this angle and this angle. I have solved these questions in the notes. You will complete this question. Now come to question number 12. Angle B. Angle B, you have to find. In this triangle, if two angles are given, you can easily find the third angle by subtracting these two angles. This property is called the angle sum property. Next is EDC. EDC, this angle. So these lines are parallel 25 25 by the alternate angle A, D, E, this angle. By the straight line property, you will get your two angles, 180 minus these two angles, you will get your third angle. Now A, E, D, this angle. You have 55 degree, you have this angle. By subtracting these two angles, you will get your third angle by the angle sum property. Next, DEC, this angle. You have this angle, subtract this angle from the 180 degree, you will get your third, this angle by the linear pair. Okay. Next, DCE, this angle. This angle, okay. So you have this one, you can easily get from the angle sum property, this angle. Last, ACB. Add these two angles, you will get your angle C, okay. Now question number 13. In the question number PTQ, you have to find PTQ 90 20, you will get the answer from the angle sum property. Then QTU, this angle, you will have this angle 45. So you can use straight line property, 180 subtract these two angles, you will get your third angle. Then SUT, you have 90 degree, 45 degree, again from 180 degree angle sum property, okay. RUQ, this angle, you have this again straight line property. RQU, 90 degree, this angle, again angle sum property. Then UQT, this angles. If you have these two angles, you will get your rest of the angle by the angle sum property, okay. Then question number 14, we have this figure, okay. So this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this. So for this question we have to do a construction, extend RP and extend AC, okay. Okay, see, extend AC to meet PQ at E, and extend PR to meet AB at D, okay. Then this line is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line, okay. If we know the properties of quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. But in this case we use co-interior angle, this sum of these two angles is 180 degree, then again co-interior, then we will get angle P is equal to 90 degree, okay. Then question number 15, you have to find the angle LAD, okay. For the LAD, firstly in triangle ABL, you have 90 degree, 60 degree, then we will get this angle, I think this is 30 degree, okay. Then in triangle LAC, this is 40 degree, this is 90 degree, you will get your third angle by the angle sum property. Subtract 40 degree, 90 degree from the 180 degree, you will get your this angle 50 degree, you will get your answer 50 degree, okay. Then you have to find this small angle. What will you do? You have this angle is equal to this angle because this is your bisector, this complete angle is equal to this angle, okay. And you have this angle 50 degree, so 50 degree is equal to sum of these two angles because AD is the bisector, you will get your third answer, okay. Next, come to question number 16. In question number 16 you will do in your book, okay. In which of the following case the angles not possibly the angle of the triangle. For this reasons you have to add all three angles. Sum of first three angles is 180, so possible again 180. This is 170, so this angle with these triangle with these angles is not possible, so this is the impossible triangle. Okay, for the question number 17, if two acute angles are the right angles, then the third angle is then the each angle is 45. Okay, if two acute angles of a right angle triangle are equal, so right angle triangle is 90 degree, and these two angles are must be equal, so they must be sum of 90 degree and they are equal, so each of is the 45 degree. So answer is B. Then for the question number 18, I have solved question number 18. You will firstly get the angle x from the angle sum property, then with the angle with the linear pair you will get your angle y. Okay, now question number 19, x plus y equals, okay, from the angle sum property. Okay, if this is 40 degree, you will also get the 40 degree, and in this question you will find first this angle, then linear pair 60 40, then you will get your this angle, then you will get y. Okay, I have solved all these questions. Complete your work in your maths class 4 copy. All the best. Thank you.